if you've been hearing a ticking noise coming from your engine while it's running. It's essential to identify the root cause and take appropriate action. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to diagnose and address the issue in easily understandable terms. Hi, welcome to our channel. To help you troubleshoot your car problem, be part of our dedicated enthusiast, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below. Thank you. A ticking noise in your engine can often be a sign of inadequate lubrication. This happens when your engine is either low on oil or has low oil pressure. To start troubleshooting, let's check the oil level. Pop the hood of your car and locate the oil dipstick. Remove the dipstick, wipe it clean with a rag, insert it fully back into the hole, pull it out, and check the oil level reading. If the reading is below the full line, it means your oil level is low. A low oil level can lead to poor engine lubrication, causing the ticking noise you're hearing. If your engine has a low oil level, the solution is straightforward: add oil. Make sure you use the oil recommended in your vehicle's owner's manual. If the oil level is not the issue, it's time to inspect the oil pressure. Low oil pressure can also cause a ticking noise in your engine. You can determine this by checking the oil light on your dashboard while the ticking noise is happening. Does the oil light come on when the ticking noise is occurring? If it does, low oil pressure may be the culprit, resulting in poor engine lubrication and the associated noise. Proper lubrication is crucial for the smooth operation of your engine and to reduce noisy friction between components. Oil pressure plays a key role in ensuring this lubrication. When the oil pressure is insufficient, some engine parts may not receive enough oil, leading to the ticking noise. In this case, the low oil pressure may be caused by a clogged oil pan screen or a faulty oil pump, with the latter being more likely. To address the issue of low oil pressure and the ticking noise, it's best to take your vehicle to a qualified mechanic. They can diagnose the exact cause and recommend the necessary repairs. It's crucial not to delay these repairs, as a poorly lubricated engine can lead to further damage. If the oil light does not come on when the ticking noise occurs, this suggests that your oil pressure is likely adequate. In this scenario, the ticking noise may be attributed to other causes, such as loose valves or a leaking exhaust manifold. Loose valves or a leaking exhaust manifold can produce a similar ticking sound, which tends to increase in speed as the engine revs up. Loose valves can cause a ticking noise as they make contact with the rocker arm during engine operation. A leaking exhaust manifold allows exhaust gases to escape, resulting in a ticking sound with each engine cycle. If the ticking noise is not due to low oil pressure, you'll want to consult a mechanic for a thorough analysis and repair. When you visit the mechanic, be sure to mention the possibility of loose valves or a leaking exhaust manifold. If your engine has adjustable valves, tightening them may resolve the issue. For the exhaust manifold, the mechanic should inspect the bolts, as they might be loose. In conclusion, diagnosing and addressing a ticking noise in your engine is essential for the longevity and performance of your vehicle. Following these steps will help you identify the issue and take the necessary steps to resolve it. If you're unsure or need professional assistance, don't hesitate to consult a mechanic. Thank you for tuning into this car troubleshooting guide. Stay tuned for more valuable tips to keep your vehicle running smoothly and reliably. Please support us by subscribing and liking this video.